Thank you, ma'am, for joining us. Health is the foundation of a fulfilling life. Without good health, even the greatest achievements lose their value. It is rightly said by Ralph Waldo Emerson that the first wealth is health. Dear participants, it is our humble request to you all to please follow the following instructions. Number 1. Keep your mic muted unless you are asked to speak. Number 2. Your camera should be open throughout the conference. Number 3. Please speak slowly and clearly so that the viewers are able to understand what you are saying more clearly. Your cooperation will be appreciated. Our first speaker, Aiza Arsalan, is from the host school, Hamdard Public School, Karachi. Hamdard Public School is located at Madinatul Hikmah, City of Education, Science and Culture, which is located at the outskirts of Karachi, some 40 kilometers away from the city center. Madinatul Hikmah is the name of an endeavor for the revival of those values and traditional efforts in education, science, research, which are our cultural bequests. Its objectives are outlined by the founder, Shaheed Hakeem Muhammad Saeed. Aiza, kindly share your views with us.
Respected President of the Conference, Honorable Chief Guest, President Hamdard Foundation Pakistan, Honorable Teachers, and dear fellow students. Assalamu alaikum. World Health Day is an opportunity to focus and to raise awareness about key public health issues that affect the international community and to promote the importance of global health. Today, I, Aiza Arsalan, have the honor of addressing you on a matter of paramount importance: healthy beginnings, hopeful futures. It is with profound certainty that I speak on this year's topic, healthy beginnings, hopeful futures, as it is a fundamental principle that resonates with us all. Distinguished guests, we have heard this saying by Benjamin Franklin that true wealth is having your health and knowledge of self, and by Mahatma Gandhi that it is health that is the real wealth and not the pieces of gold and silver. Dear guests, today I wish to highlight the significant connection between healthy beginnings and the futures we aspire to create. Esteemed guests, healthy beginnings is started with education and awareness. In every corner of globe, we are presented with both tremendous challenges and unparalleled opportunities. The future of health does not begin in clinics or hospitals, but in the very first moments of life. Today, we must recognize that healthy beginnings are not just about biology; they are about empowerment. As Dr. Pascal Aloti said, it is not sufficient that women survive childbirth; they must also be able to enjoy their lives in good health. Respected guests, starting with the age of adolescence, as it is a time of significant physical, emotional and social challenges. Some of the common challenges adolescents face include identity and self-esteem issues. This period involves exploring different aspects of their identity, such as sexual orientations, career aspirations, and cultural identity, which can affect their self-esteem. Peer pressure, academic pressure, pubertal and hormonal changes can cause mood swing, can cause anxiety and depression. Pubertal changes such as acne, voice change, body hair, menstruation in females leads to confusions in growing age. Distinguished guests, these pubertal changes need to be taken care of. It can be done by maintaining good personal hygiene, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and by surrounding yourself with good people. William Shakespeare said, "Our bodies are our gardens and wills are our gardeners." Honorable guests, on the other hand, personal hygiene is crucial for maintaining good health, self-confidence, and positive social interactions. It prevents the spread of infections, bacteria, and viruses, reducing the risk of illness. Women in remote areas are the least likely to receive adequate healthcare services and dies even during their pregnancy due to poor hygiene and health. The other cause is the climate change. Pregnant women, newborns, children, adolescents, and older people are facing serious health complications due to climate change. according to a new collection of paper published in the Journal of Global Health. These articles show that climate-related health risks have been crucially underestimated for younger and older people and during pregnancy, with serious and often life-threatening implications. The authors note that preterm births, the leading cause of childhood death, spikes during heat waves, while older people are more likely to suffer heart attacks. Each 1 degree centigrade rise in the temperature increases the risk of infant mortality by as much as 22.4%. Dear listeners, a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients ensures a healthier future by reducing the risk of diseases. It supports immune function, brain development, strengthens bones, and protects against cell damage. Making healthy choices from early age lays the foundation for a strong and disease-free future. An American author and entrepreneur, Jim Rohn, said, "Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live." Esteemed guests, healthy beginnings are not just a foundation. They are a promise to the world that we can build a brighter, healthier, and more hopeful future. Let us commit to making every beginning a healthy one so that we shape a future filled with promise, opportunity, and safer growth. Together, we can create conditions that allow every child, every family, and every community to thrive. Thank you very much.